Hey guys, I just wanted to say hi. I'm Brian, and I want you guys to go on this journey with me. Doing this for 10 years, and I wanted to give you guys a little bit of taste on what it is like to live free from a hair system. And why I get to live my life. It feels so great living my life free and authentic and being able to just be myself and to be out in public and not have to worry about hair loss and just being able to just be me. Animal Hospital, how can I help you? The doctor will be in at 2 o'clock today. Thank you.